Open a sketch on the top view and draw a rectangle centered on the origin of coordinates. Generate the solid with a height of 50 millimeters. On the bottom face, draw lines that will define the path of the section to be cut. In the side view, draw a circle that represents the diameter to cut. To perform the cut, use the sweep cut operation and select the circumference and the line as its path. Finally, use the shell operation to hollow out the solid, selecting all faces except the bottom face for this. The 10 millimeters represent the thickness of the solid that will be preserved without cutting. Great! To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck!